Hello everybody, Storm here. Welcome back to Dyson Sphere Program. In the last episode, we built out our titanium alloy production line here, making our steel, making our titanium ingots, and combining those with the sulfuric acid we worked on making to make the ingots, or the alloy. And I had to kind of mock in using some sub-bar belts. But I went ahead and I upgraded all the belts. They're all done. Got everybody in a box. Set up a logistics station that's being fed in there. It has space warpers. Everything is good to go. So we now have access to iron ingots, copper ingots, titanium ingots, steel, magnets, and titanium alloy ingots. So that's good. It's a lot of the basic resources. Basically, this what we now really need is silicon. We need glass, a few other things. Now, one of the things I'm going to do here real quick, before we get to that, is I am going to go up here. Because we have an iron vein, an iron vein, an iron vein, and a titanium vein. Right. Well, really, probably just a couple of iron veins in that titanium vein that I want to take advantage of. And what we're going to do is I'm going to drop in. I made 2 of those? Okay, well, that's fine. Thought I only made 1. I'm going to drop in one of these. And we're gonna basically feed this ore into this. And it should ship over to wherever production is, and hopefully should help with our production lines there. Can I squeeze this in? Oh. There we go. Okay. Make sure we got all of the little nodes here covered. We also have a copper vein down here we could feed in. We'll see. But copper really isn't what we're kind of short on. It's going to be iron and it's going to be titanium that is going to be somewhat short from what we currently have. All right. So let's get some more of these made. Now, what we're going to do here is this is going to be iron, copper, might as well, and titanium. And this is going to be supply, right? Yes. Alright, I'm going to need probably 8 of those, at least to start with anyway. And let me check the status of the supply here. Still tons of copper. The stone, a slight concern, but we do have that vein of stone there. Iron's still fine. Because that stone's going to run out first. What I really should do is basically import all the stuff that we need from here. And run it through. Alright, where... Oh, that's the wrong way. I suddenly got myself lost. Ah, there we are. Okay. That all hooked up there. Alright, so we're feeding in there, and then we just need this one here. And that'll be good for now. I'll probably have to do some more later, but for the moment, it will suffice. That's a bit awkward, but yeah, it'll work. Alright, so that is all transferring here. And then I set up supply lines to feed into these, you know, box towers. So once everything arrives, it'll come through here. And should be good to go. All right. So my next thing I want to do here is I'm just going to grab a little extra resources. And we need to start doing silicon processing. And we need to pick a planet to do that on. Now, this planet has 10 million silicon ore. Ops 3. That's the jungle planet. That definitely could work. This also has 10 million silicon ore on it, on Ops 4. I have already a lot of infrastructure here. This is a big titanium producer. 1.2 million stone. Fire ice. Yeah, that's what we're really after on that planet. Fractal silicon. You have 300,000 fractal silicon. Let's head over to this planet. Now, the one issue here is going to be that I don't have infrastructure on this planet. Power. Basically, all of the fractal silicon is in one vein. That's not really that useful then. Alright, well, let's do this then. Let's use the jungle planet for this purpose, because it's already got power, it's already got logistic stations, so it makes the most sense to do this. As far as stone, 2.9 million stone. So we could make some glass here. You have 4.6 million stone. You might have to do it in both places. I think probably we're going to be doing that for silicon anyway. Doing silicon and glass in both places. Alright, so where are the silicon veins? Well, there's two. There's two more. There's 1, 2, 3. I'd like 3. So that pole, I think, makes a lot of sense. Alright, so it's that vein, that vein, that vein, that vein, and that vein. Yeah, they're all pretty well situated here. Now, if I wanted to make 30 per second, I would need 60 per second, and I would need 60 per second. Or I think I could probably do with 3 veins. And I would need 60 smelting facilities. Let's at least get the... Let's get the mines built. That's pretty good coverage. So for this one... Oh. There we go. Would that cover the entire thing? No, not quite. Alright, so we'll have to do 2. All right, and then our connection will be through here. Oh. There is a spot that will work. Right there. We're still not producing enough power on this planet, though. Oh well, we'll get that sorted eventually. All right, where am I going to put in the smelters? Where is a logistics station? That, I think. Oh, that's a planetary logistics station. Are there any interstellar logistics stations? Anywhere nearby? No, it does not appear so. I mean, I could route it through a planetary logistics station. Just dump a whole bunch more drones so I can move more stuff. I think that might be the best idea. Okay. So what we'll want to do is we'll want to do our smelting operation. There's an iron vein. I don't want to interfere with that too much. If I were to do something like... we would have an input belt coming through there. Output belt coming through there. Input belt going through there. Yeah, that will do. Alright, so I'll run the output of these guys into some boxes, and then... Actually, let's put that once... Once we're good here. this should make sense. Oops. Can I put this a little bit closer? Yes, I can. Okay, good. Why are you giving me trouble? There we go. All right, then we can combine everything here. That autosave kind of screwed me up. Come on. Belt. There we go. Let's actually bring it up a little bit. Out of range. Oh, there we go. All right, and this. It's going to be interesting. All right, that'll work. Okay, so that routes through there. Can I get this within building range? I'd like to do this in one shot if I can. That means I'm going to need one more box. That's fine. All right, there we go. I just need to run 2 lines coming out of there, going to there. And that should do. There's going to be input there, output there, input there. And you guys are making high purity silicon. Right. Good. We just need to fill all that in. That should be 16. And that's 16, and then therefore that's 14, which means that's 20. 30. Right. We need another 60 of those. Alright, well, I will have to probably take care of manufacturing that off screen because we are at the end of the episode. So I'll get this laid in. And then I'll decide what we're going to do about glass. And we'll get that set up and keep on working, because we're going to need to, at some point here, get a new kind of basic construction facility. That's going to make my belts, it's going to make my sorters, it's going to make assembly machines, it'll make smelters, mining machines, turbines, power poles, basically all this stuff here we need manufactured to some extent. So that is kind of the current long-term goal, I think. We just need all the raw materials. That's still where we're working on. So we'll continue with that for next episode. So for now, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you next time.